can a DNA paternity test be wrong? Imagine you're in a situation where you need to know for sure who the biological father of a child is. DNA paternity tests are often the go-to solution, but can they ever be wrong? Let's dive into the details. DNA paternity tests are generally very accurate, with correctness ranging from 90 to 99% when done properly. However, there are several reasons why these tests might not give the correct results. First, the method of testing is crucial. There are two main types: legal DNA testing and non-legal DNA testing. Legal DNA testing is conducted in a lab, often using blood samples, and follows strict procedures to ensure accuracy and prevent tampering. This type of test is admissible in court. Non-legal DNA testing, on the other hand, is usually done at home with a cheek swab kit and can be less accurate due to potential errors in sample collection and lab processing. Human error is another significant factor. For instance, if the person collecting the DNA samples accidentally swaps the envelopes, the lab might compare the wrong samples, leading to incorrect results. This could mean the biological father is excluded, even though he is the real father. The quality of the DNA sample itself is also important. If there's not enough DNA, or if the DNA is degraded, the test might not be accurate. Some labs might issue a report excluding the alleged father after finding just 2 non-matching DNA locations, but additional testing could prove the man is actually the biological father. Another issue arises when the potential fathers are biologically related. In such cases, they share a significant amount of DNA, which can make it harder to determine paternity accurately. However, good labs will continue testing until they find enough DNA locations to confirm or exclude paternity reliably. Paternity fraud is another concern. If someone deliberately submits the wrong samples, the results will be incorrect. For example, if a mother submits her own DNA as the alleged father's, the test will show a false result. Finally, even with accurate testing, the results are based on statistical calculations and never show a 100% probability. This is because the test can't compare the DNA of every male in the world. It only provides a very high probability that the tested man is the father. So, while DNA paternity tests are highly accurate, they can be wrong due to human error, sample quality issues, or intentional fraud. Choosing a reputable lab and following the testing instructions carefully can help ensure the most accurate results possible.